Comfort at home isn't just about furniture or decor, it's about how well the space responds to changing seasons. Windows play a major role in maintaining that comfort, and bay windows stand out for their ability to enhance both function and atmosphere. For homeowners in Rowlett, bay windows offer year-round benefits that improve indoor comfort, light, and overall livability. Why windows affect comfort more than you think? Windows are one of the main areas where indoor and outdoor environments meet. Poorly performing windows can lead to drafts, uneven temperatures, and uncomfortable living spaces. In Rowlett homes, bay windows designed for performance help create a stronger barrier against outdoor conditions while enhancing the indoor experience. Balancing natural light and temperature. Bay windows are known for bringing in abundant natural light. Their multi-panel design allows sunlight to enter from different angles throughout the day. For Rowlett homeowners, this means brighter rooms without harsh glare. The angled panels help distribute light more evenly, creating comfortable, naturally lit spaces during all seasons. Reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. Drafts can make rooms uncomfortable, especially near window seating areas. Older or poorly sealed windows often allow air movement that disrupts indoor comfort. Bay windows designed with proper sealing help reduce unwanted airflow. Rowlett homeowners often notice fewer drafts and more consistent temperatures near bay window areas. Improving comfort in seating and living areas. Bay windows often create alcoves or seating spaces that homeowners want to enjoy. These areas need to feel comfortable year-round. With improved insulation and sealing, bay windows help Rowlett homeowners use these spaces during both warm and cooler months. The result is more usable living space throughout the year. Supporting indoor comfort during warmer months. During warmer periods, excess heat entering through windows can make rooms uncomfortable. Bay windows with efficient design help manage heat exposure. Rowlett homeowners benefit from living spaces that remain bright but not overheated. This balance supports indoor comfort even during warmer weather. Maintaining warmth during cooler conditions. In cooler months, heat loss through windows can create chilly areas inside the home. Bay windows that close tightly help retain indoor warmth. Rowlett homeowners enjoy cozier living spaces without cold drafts near the glass. Enhancing airflow when conditions are right. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about fresh air. Bay windows often incorporate operable side panels that allow ventilation. In Rowlett homes, this supports natural airflow during mild conditions, helping refresh indoor air without compromising comfort. Improving overall room balance and feel. Bay windows add depth to a room, which affects how the space feels. The outward extension helps rooms feel more open and balanced. Rowlett homeowners often find that rooms with bay windows feel less confined and more relaxing, contributing to year-round comfort. Reducing reliance on temporary comfort solutions. Homes with poor window performance often rely on heavy curtains, draft blockers, or constant thermostat adjustments. Bay windows designed for comfort reduce the need for these temporary solutions. Rowlett homeowners enjoy more stable indoor conditions without extra effort. A year-round comfort upgrade. Comfort should be consistent, no matter the season. For homeowners in Rowlett, bay windows improve indoor comfort year-round by balancing natural light, reducing drafts, supporting airflow, and maintaining stable temperatures. The result is a home that feels comfortable, inviting, and enjoyable every day, making bay windows a smart, long-term upgrade.